Alright, basically what I'm doing here today is I'm preparing for tomorrow's hunt. My name is Bertram Michael Didier, and I am a Sasquatch hunter. Well, that's my night job anyway. By day I work for Lucas Tree Experts as a landscaper. I figure, what better way to get at the Sasquatch who was known to be hiding out in the woods than by becoming a tree expert. Now I'm also going to be enlisting the help of two former All-City football players, J Brother and D Brother. A couple of neighbors of mine live down the street, and you know, give them some money. They're idiots, so basically do what I tell them to do. And see if we can't get this thing captured. Basically, this is my Sasquatch room. This is where I come to do all my thinking as pertains to the whole Sasquatch arena. You can see behind me, we do have some artist renderings of Sasquatch, although we don't know 100% for certain what he looks like, so I have taken some liberties on a lot of them. I do have my personal favorite, which does depict exactly what I'd like to do to the Sasquatch should I ever get my hands on him. Now we're going to be heading out really early, because as I have said before, the Sasquatch is Seminus Nocturna, which means he is semi-nocturnal, meaning we can only get him in the hours right around daybreak. Now, many people have debated the existence of Sasquatch, but I have in my hand undeniable proof. Now, the naysayers and the doubters may tell you that my neighbors have German Shepherd with the exact same color hair, and that they do. But, oh, that's Sasquatch. That's definitely Sasquatch. Oh, yeah. Alright, you boys are just about ready. Last but not least, the pièce de résistance. Genuine Sasquatch lure. Beef jerky. Goddamn right, beef jerky. Have you ever seen a television commercial with the Sasquatch and the beef jerky? You don't have time for this. Boom. Shh, look at that, look at that. I think that could be a Sasquatch. Here, boys, go and give me a Sasquatch.
Now remember what he said, don't eat the jerky. We gonna smell this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's not Sasquatch. It's my dad. Come on, help him up. You heard him. Help him up.
Yo, he's away!
Well, I guess it started back when Burt was about 5. He had a little goldfish. Well, it went the way of the dodo. And I just couldn't find a way to break it to the little bastard, so I told that sumbitch that the Sasquatch came and got him. And well, he just took to the goddamn story so well and believed it so much that his next pet died, and his next pet died. And damn it if I didn't blame every one of them on the Sasquatch. Even the dog I ran over, the ferret I washed in the washing machine, and the goldfish I just plain didn't like and flushed down the toilet. But, well, I guess he carried it a little further than I thought, and, guess I'm gonna have to tell him. The only decent thing left to do, I guess. And this is why I do what I do. Because I know that when I get my hands on that Sasquatch sumbitch, I'm gonna get all my friends back. We're gonna come back here and man, we're gonna have a party. Yeah, we're gonna have a party. We're gonna serve Sasquatch steak, Sasquatch burgers, and drink all the natty ice we can get our little hands on. Hey, Burt. I, talk to you inside for a second? That's what we go. Yes, sir, bobcat tail. Alright, son, I got something I want to talk to you about. And you might not like it. And you might be plumb ticked at the old man, but I want you to know what I did. I did with the best of intentions. Remember Mickey? Beloved goldfish, Mickey. Well, I remember when that one fateful night when the Sasquatch showed up and he took Mickey from us all too soon. Well, son, the truth of the matter is, well, Sasquatch, he didn't take Mickey or Money or Number Two or any of the others. They died, and I didn't have the heart to break it to you. Why Sasquatch? Why? Well, the truth is, the night before I had watched In Search of Sasquatch with Leonard Nimoy. You watch that too? Wasn't that kick-ass? Yeah, that was kick-ass. Yeah, it was. Yeah, about Grandma.